Hello, and welcome to another video from Hinman Reviews. Today, I am excited to review a product that will make your life as a social media manager much easier. It's called Graphydo, and it's an all-in-one, done-for-you social media toolkit that can be used for unlimited clients and businesses. Let's face it, social media management can be overwhelming, especially if you are managing multiple clients. With Graphydo, you can create highly engaging, breathtaking posts for your own or your client's business in just 3 easy steps. First, you access the templates by clicking any buy button on their sales page. Then, you customize the template by adding or editing text, images, and logos using Canva. Finally, you finish the post by saving it as a PNG or JPG file. It's that simple. One of the best things about Graphydo is the variety of templates available. With over 3,000 templates, you're sure to find one that fits your niche and style. The templates are fully editable in the free online version of Canva, which is an added bonus. Another great feature of Graphydo is the copywriter team that has worked with inner circle social media agency experts to write engaging, action-driven captions. They have also collected over 30,000 plus hashtags, categorized them into almost 33 plus niches, and made them available to you. Graphydo also includes done-for-you outreach emails, client pricing sheets, contract sheets, and client briefings. They have even written a well-researched marketplace gig listing to help you get new social media agency clients. To sum it up, Graphydo is a copy-paste method to start your own social media agency from the comfort of your home, without hiring or managing any team. You can simply manage your social media clients by putting in just a few hours per week. And the best part is it's available for a one-time payment of just $47. If you're looking to streamline your social media management process, Graphydo is definitely worth checking out. And if you use the coupon code Graphydo10, you can get 10% off on the front-end price. Check it out today by clicking the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.